Welcome back to another YouTube track challenge presented by Nankang Motorsports and Race Pack. Today we're going to find out who's really the boss. You guys already know who the greatest Canadian YouTubers are. It's not me and Pete, it's these two guys from DeBoss Garage.
We're Canadian. We're all on
the same level. We're all friends. That's right. Let's go have a beer, eh? This is Stefan, who is, of course, the mad scientist behind the Dirty Midget, the greatest name for a project car of all time. Go to DeBoss Garage and check that out. Although it's been a while on updates.
I bought a lot of stuff.
Get to work. He bought a 1984 Winnebago. That's how distracted he is.
Yeah, life crisis.
He's too young for that. And of course, Filthy Rich here is not actually filthy rich. He's just filthy, and he's also rich. Yeah. And he is a diesel mad scientist, a hot rod mad scientist. He builds a junkyard, amazing stuff, including the Quattro DeBaccio that you guys can go and watch me drive with various pipes flying off in the back seat. Good times. We're going to do it again. We're going to do it again. But today is about Miatas, which you've driven before.
It's been 20 years since I've been behind the seat of a Miata. I just got my license.
Stefan, what about you? Any experience in roadsters? I did see you driving a Mercedes-like vehicle on the Hot Rod Power Tour.
I like turtles.
Like turtles. Fair enough. It's a kit car with a 4302 that looks like a little tiny Mercedes.
Little experience driving on the track, and it'll show today.
Yes, let's be honest. You guys are not veterans of the track. You come here a lot. You're not far away.
No, that's right. So we used to have a little 240, and we used to bomb around, but we've never had any formal training of like what these pylons are for, and when to brake and when to gas.
They're from the school full send, I would say.
We're full send, throttle down. If you're not in the grass, you haven't done the utmost of what the car can do. So
all right, well, the rules are so that you know, you actually have to complete a lap remaining on the surface when you cross the start-finish line to set a time. On one of those 3 laps, you need to stay on the surface.
The entire time.
Try not to be on fire when that happens. We would appreciate that. So it's time for our traditional now, Rochambeau, our rock, paper, scissors, to see who goes first or who takes the original blow to the, yes. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, do it.
Ready?
On 3.
Paper, paper, paper.
Oh, do it again, you meatheads. Oh, paper covers rock. All right. You're first or second?
I have no idea. First. I'm gonna go
good idea, because he'll probably break the car.
My shoelace got stuck on the clutch pedal, or brake pedal. Okay, here we go. We got this. We got this. Maybe we don't. It's starting to rain a little bit. It's starting to rain. We got this. Shift. Okay, good. We're gonna keep going. We're doing like 120. Oh, I see raindrops. Okay, I'm gonna brake a bit. I don't know what I'm doing. Downshift, I think. Oh, fuck. That was not good. I scrubbed it huge. Didn't we keep going? Okay. Okay, we're good. I'm leaning. We need some driver mods. Slow and steady, guys. We can do this. I'm going fast. And I missed the apex. I slowed down too much. Way too much. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't rain on me. I got this. Rich is gonna beat me though, I know that. Slow down. Second. Power through. Yeah! Fishtail. I don't know what I'm doing. I got the power on, I think. Okay, we're doing good. Brakes. Second. Power out. Yeah! Let's do this! Forgot forgot to shift. Oh well, that's fine, that's fine. We're gonna do this corner in third, I think. We're gonna do this one in second. I should keep my feet on the pedals, I think. We're gonna do a one-handed steer. We're gonna drift it around. Okay, I don't know what my time is. I don't know how many laps I'm doing. But I'm gonna just keep going until they stop me because this is kind of fun. Downshift, hit the brakes. Oh, f I'm coming in hot here. Oh, f ah, f and I stalled it. Oops. Relax, I gotta relax. I'm all jacked up. It's like I had a couple root beers before I did this. More power! I keep forgetting to hit the brakes. I'm gonna do that this time.
All right, Stefan's done his first couple of hot laps, and he is doing surprisingly well for a guy who talks himself down so much. He's looking fast out there. In fact, so fast, we've had our first spin, everybody. He spun down there going into the S's. Nevertheless, the data I'm seeing here is very promising. He's pulling good G's in the corners. He's shifting where he's supposed to. The car is mostly going in the right direction. This is encouraging stuff. We are dodging a stage 4 hurricane over here to our left, but the stage 5 hurricane on the racetrack is going surprisingly fast.
Slow is smooth and smooth is fast, boys. But sideways is fun. Whoops. This car is so much fun. All right, I'll try and settle down. Pedal there. Really tail happy little car. That's a lot of fun. Guys, if you're young and you want to have a lot of fun, you don't need a 4-turbo Audi. You need a little Miata with some bolt-on parts. This is a riot. That's a nice one. That's much better. I like it. Ah, wrong gear. Ah! Oh, that was it. That was it. Ah, dang it. I hit 5th. I should have hit 3rd. Oh, and that was the end of it. Come on. Come on. Go. Give me. Ah. Throttle stuck. Throttle stuck there. Woo! Whoa! the throttle legitimately stuck there. We gotta do something about this carpet, boys. I probably shouldn't have taken my hands off the steering wheel. Woo! That was a lot of fun. Wow, as I was saying, you don't need a 4-turbo LS swapped Audi to have fun on a track. You need a little Miata, a little shit box. And honestly, this thing is a riot. Stock engine, some bolt-on parts. Wow, this is fantastic.
All right, boys, how you feeling right now?
This is horrible. It's so emasculating driving.
When you're watching it on Top Gear, you're like, stop whining. It's actually kind of
Top Gear, what's that? I never heard of that show before. Did they do something like this?
It looks so easy.
I know, we do make it look easy here at Speed Academy, everyone.
Yeah, Speed Academy.
And you feeling good about your performances? What's going on here? Let's get inside your heads for a moment.
I feel like this right now.
Do you?
It was nerve-wracking. I don't know how to drive a race car,
Well,
even though it's a Miata.
It looked exciting.
It was exciting.
Sometimes you can spin to win, and you did have a spin, so let's find out shortly.
Cash
There's
in on
like-
that.
I don't know how many turns are in the track.
How many turns? 11.
11?
Yes.
So there's like 11 turns. You have to shift a few dozen times, and you have to do everything kind of just perfect. So
Yeah.
every time you're driving, you're like, yes, I did that one right, I'm good. Next one, yes, I did that one right. But then you're like, you mess one up, you're like,
It's over.
it's over.
It ruins.
It's like it's over.
And it could ruin the next lap
yeah,
too.
and second and third one, I was feeling really good in my third lap and pulling through the windy thingy there and coming out nice and clean,
Yeah.
full throttle, hugging, no squealing.
Yeah.
And then I went from second into fifth.
Blah. We all heard it over here. Blah. It's like, no.
So that messed up my third one. I don't know about my first one, and the second one, I was squealing some tires.
Well, Rich is clearly a more experienced racer than he lets on because he's making all the good racer excuses right now, everybody.
My shoelace got cut on the brake.
We heard that excuse too.
My pedal got caught on the floor, and I went
Yeah.
full throttle.
My underwear caught on fire, everybody. And it's now finally time to reveal some time,
Oh, man,
starting
who's going
with
first?
who we're calling DeBoss Stefan
Oh,
with a 131.199. That's, I gotta say, that is a solid lap time for a guy who was talking about how slow he was going to be.
Yeah.
You caught us out.
Thanks. No, I'm
You
not
were
so
also
bad.
consistently inconsistent. Every lap was like 4 seconds different. But that one honey of a lap.
You just gotta take the
Man.
best of all of them.
So let's throw that up there above tall Ben.
I'll help you.
By the way, we gotta fix short Ben here. That should be fast Ben now. Sorry about that, everybody. Fast Ben. That's right. As for the actual DeBoss, Rich, who can claim that name when he's working in his garage, but unfortunately he cannot claim it at the racetrack because he only did a 132.302. It's a close battle though. That is a close battle. You guys are within less than a second.
Boss is mine!
There we go, everybody.
You looked way faster than me.
It's weird because
You looked smooth.
Anything,
You
yeah.
looked smooth.
Hey.
Stefan looked insane. But clearly insanity can work here. Maybe I'm living proof of that too. But
Holy
he
shit.
put one good lap in, and that's all you need.
How
Yes,
How are the
buddy.
G's?
The G's were good. You guys were both pulling like 1.4, 1.5 G's in the corner, which is right where those tires tend to perform.
Yeah.
So really, I think the differences are going to be in the braking zones, and then just like the couple of little small mistakes you're referencing. Like
Yeah, I'm sure if you wouldn't have shifted in the
like
fifth,
you
you would
said,
have got
I
me.
lost a second and a half just shifting the one gear.
we could see on the live data that you were a
right
second and a
there.
half ahead at one point,
Yeah.
and with that misshift, it just it killed that lap. So, them the brakes, everybody. Racing
much
is a
fun.
cool mistress. Well
Thank you
done,
very
man. Yeah,
much
well
for
done,
setting
guys.
this up.
Yeah, no,
This is
yeah,
well done.
Yeah.
And what this means is it's now time to bust out that box of awards. Once again, everyone, it is time for the ceremonial awarding of the golden hairdryer for the man with a glorious head of hair. I gotta say, it's
Exactly where
kind
I'm
of
gonna put
appropriate.
this.
So, I lost on purpose.
Yeah, exactly. You don't need that.
Yeah.
And by the way,
Somewhere else.
we do have some runner-up prizes in our product placement Conquer helmet bag, everyone. You can get your Conquer helmet on Amazon.com for pennies on the dollar. SA-rated motorsports helmet. Rich, you are called Filthy Rich, so maybe some nail brushes? What do you think about that? And
I'm kind of glad I got stuck.
since you're always fixing Stefan's garbage, here's the wire for his hairdryer.
Oh, sweet.
Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and thank you to DeBoss Garage for coming out and ripping some
very much.
Mazda non-VTEC with us. We appreciate it. We have proven who the biggest winner is at DeBoss, or maybe it's the biggest winner. We'll let you guys decide. And thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this epic YouTube track challenge battle between two glorious YouTubers. Who's up next? You guys are gonna have to stay tuned and find out.
Park it, put the roof up.
How do I do that? How do I put the roof up?
Hold on.
Where's the roof?
Stop.
Oh, okay. It's manual.